everyone, how are you today? And welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to make Nutella. Nutella comes from pancake and Nutella. So pretty much what we're doing here, we're making peace process between North America and Europe, combining together pancake from North America, Nutella from Europe. Tastes amazing. So let's start here. So what I have here, I have 1 cup of flour. I have 2 egg yolk I want to use. So I just want to show you a quick trick here how to get the to separate the egg yolk from the egg white. Here you go. That's 1, and let's get the second one. Perfect. That's 2 of them. I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I have 1.5 spoon of a teaspoon of salt, and I have 1 full tablespoon of vanilla extract. I have 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3/4 cup milk, but I'm using here 1 cup just in case you need a little bit more. Always have a little bit more. If it's thick, you add a little bit more. And in the meantime here, just want to add 3/4 cup milk. Let's whisk it, and you keep whisking till nice and smooth. Now in the meantime, you can use your griddle or your frying pan. So if your griddle, make sure on 275. As I said, you keep whisking till nice and pasty. You can use either butter or oil or cooking spray. I'm gonna use a cooking spray. When you put oil or butter or cooking spray, it gives nice golden color for the pancake. It's good. Now I'm making here, it's 3 sizes. First one I'm making, it's a full large size. Second one, half. So the recipe I'm making here will make about, depends on the size you have, it will make about 4 to 6 pieces. And I need a smaller one. What I have here, I have some sliced banana, and I have some sliced strawberry as well, and the Nutella. And your pancake here, you make sure it's fully bubbled. When you see the air bubbles start on the top, that means it's getting fully cooked. So when it gets a little bit dry on the side, that's when it's ready to be flipped. It takes usually about 1.5 to 2 minutes. As you can see here, the edges start getting dry, and the bubbles in the middle is fully. So let's check it out here. Nice, beautiful, ready to be flipped. Here we go. Another 40 seconds to 1 minute on the other side when you flip it, and should be good to go. Perfect. Now it's ready to go. So just want to turn off the griddle here. So I'm gonna start with the larger piece in the bottom first. Beautiful. Look at this. Nice. So what I'm gonna do here, put the first layer of Nutella, spread it right into the edge. Now, first layer, I'm gonna put some banana. Don't be afraid to use your hand. You're cooking at home. That looks so yummy so far. I'm gonna put the middle piece right in the middle. Again, a layer of Nutella. Yummy, look at this, can you see that? So this is the peace process between North America and Europe. Pancake is North American, Nutella is European. Let them be. Now I'm gonna put a strawberry. You don't have to stick with banana and strawberry. Whatever fruit you like you can put, but strawberry banana goes so well with it. Beautiful. Now I have the last piece. As well, the rest of the Nutella. Ooh. Now the last one I'm gonna make, it's banana as well. I need some table syrup or pancake syrup, and I can some icing sugar and some chocolate powder or cinnamon, and nice strawberry in the middle on the top. Goes with a little garnish as well. Beautiful. Look at that. Enjoy it and don't forget to make it. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Take care.